Hey folks, it's another day, another unboxing. What I have here is the Touch Max10 $145 tablet. I'm a sucker for cheap tablets, so when Dragon Touch approached me and said, "Can we send you a review unit?" I was like, yeah, send me a crappy cheap tablet. Maybe it's not crappy, but it's definitely cheap. So let's start. It's octa-core. We don't know what the chip is. I've tried to look for specs. I can't find anything. Probably either MediaTek or a Rock chip. It does have 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. It has a 1200 by 1920 IPS panel. That's actually pretty decent. I mean, you know, it's got a camera. Maybe we will see if it's any good, but I doubt it. The bottom line is I can't even find specs on the camera anywhere. So that's what the box looks like. And it slides out this way. And yeah, so let's get started, shall we? Dun, da, da, da. I need to slide it, so da, 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 da. There we go. Da, 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 da. There we go. There's a tablet. And it says attention. I guess I must have opened this the wrong way. So let's have a look at this in a second. There's a divider here with some stuff. USB type A to, of course, micro USB. No USB-C here. Wah, wah, wah. And I mean, at $145, I'm not going to be too picky. And then we've got a USB type A charger. Don't see any specs anywhere. Aha, here we go. So I'll leave that up so you can figure out what the wattage is on this thing. And then we've got a user manual, which is, wow, massive. And then we've got a Dragon Touch. Activate your 2-year warranty. So if you don't want to get an Amazon tablet because you want a tablet that has full-on Android, because this is GMS, Google Mobile Services compliant, so you can run any Android app on it, including all the Google apps, this is what you might want to look at. It's thick because it's in multiple languages. Here's all the details of what you can find. Front camera, it doesn't even tell you. It has micro SD card slot, that's good. Rear camera with no details. Let's see if we can find some specs anywhere. Internet navigating, wow, that's pretty detailed instructions. Anyway, let's get to the tablet, shall we? Because that's really what we care about at this point. Is this plastic? Is this metal? Is this crap? We don't know. Attention, please read these instructions carefully. This instruction, there's only one instruction. Remove the thin film by grasping the corner of the film with a bit of kerning weirdness and pull it away from the screen. Okay, whatever. It's a screen protector. We get it. It's not the end of the world here. And then let's see if we can remove this back piece. This actually might be aluminum. This is kind of amazing if it is aluminum. There you go. I got the other end of the corner. You ready? Oh, this is going to be good, guys. Oh, wow. That's quite the sound. There's a little IMEI sticker here. Let me remove that real quick. That's done now. So, that's actually seems to be a metal tablet, folks. That's actually pretty exciting. A little bit of gunk left from that adhesive, but you know, not bad. A Dragon Touch. I love that there's an actual reset button, like a recess reset. Plus minus volume and a power lock and micro SD, I guess, goes in here. Let's see. Does this open up somehow? I guess so. Yeah, you just pop that up and slide a SD card in here and possibly a SIM card for some models. So there you go, folks. This is the Dragon Touch. And it's got a camera in the back along with a flash of some kind. But anyway, let's turn it on, shall we? Not sure what that is right there. Seems like there might be another layer on top of this. But anyway, let's turn it on. Burp. Dragon Touch, powered by Android. This is, by the way, Android 9, so that's not too bad. Let's see if there's actually another. There is another layer. So there is a screen protector on here as well, a second one. So let's remove that. that display is really dim right now. Doesn't bode very well. Okay, so we've removed all of the layers and now it looks much nicer. So, you know, from the touch, it feels very cold. I think this might be a metal back. And that's pretty exciting. You know, your standard start setup. I'm not going to go through it, but you get the idea. So yeah, the biggest issue here is that I can't find any specs. I know it's a 10-inch display, 1200 by 1920. I know that it's got some sort of 8-core processor with 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, micro SD support, and that's basically all I know about it. And, you know, some sort of battery, some sort of camera, some processor that might be a MediaTek or a Rock chip or something. $145. I'll let you know maybe in my tweets what I think of this. But if you're just going to watch Netflix or something, this is pretty cool. I mean, it doesn't feel like crap, and it's very decent, honestly. So before we finish, let me quickly walk you through the edges. There is a plastic piece here that has like this kind of weird grippy, ridgy part. 2 speakers, what looks like 2 speakers at the bottom. On the right hand side here, there's a power lock key, volume rocker, and that little reset button that you can use a needle to reset. On top is, very strangely, on top is micro USB for charging and this little access patch for the micro SD and potentially a SIM card if you had a cellular version of this tablet. I'm sure there is a cellular version somewhere. Nothing at all on the left hand side. And so that's it, folks. In the back, we have, as I said, a camera of unspecified resolution and a flash and a big logo. So that's it, folks. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like this video, subscribe, tell your friends, comment in the comments below, hit the notification icon. And remember, this is a compliment to my podcast, the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. We're on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Overcast, Spotify. Please subscribe to the podcast and you can hear my thoughts on all the various devices that I play with by subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos, and until then, cheers, everybody.